Hey everyone, welcome to Coding with Kiki. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Python and pycharm step by step, whether you're a beginner or just setting up a new environment. This guide will help you get started. So let's get started. Before we start downloading, let's quickly talk about what Python is and why do we need an IDE. Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It is used for web development, data science, artificial intelligence, automation, and much more. It's beginner friendly and easy to learn, as we know. But to write and run Python code, we need a good workspace. That's where an IDE comes in. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It's a tool that helps us write, debug, and run code more easily. There are many IDEs for Python, such as Visual Studio Code and more other IDEs. But for me, the best is pycharm, which we will install today. Now, we're going to start downloading Python first. First, we need to download Python. We're going to open our browser and go to python.org, or if you want you can just type download Python like this. And after you did that, click python.org. I will drop the link of downloading this in the description. Okay, you will see a big button right here that says download Python latest version. If you're Windows, it will do the best version right here, or macOS, or everything is right here. As you can see, it's downloaded right here. Click on the button to download the installer. As we click on that, we need to start downloading Python. There will be some clicks here, and there will be something right down here that it will say add to exe path. It will add to the path, as I know. You can just go and search from here. I like to do that. I already downloaded Python. After you click install now, you need to wait for the installation to finish. Once it's done, click close, and then the Python is installed. Now, for starting, I need to teach you how to download our IDE, pycharm. Go on the search bar again. I recommend you using this because it's so good. It's one of the best and easy beginner friendly. You can just type download pycharm. After that, make sure you're at jetbrains.com pycharm download. Click there. After that, you're going to go down here. You see, there's something like pycharm professional, but I'm not going to use this because you need to buy this version. It's a professional version of it. It's a free 30-day trial, but I like to go for free. So I will go down and you can see a PyCharm Community Edition here down. You can just click download, and after that, if you click on download, you need to open the installer. PyCharm Community 2024.exe. As you can see, something like this will come. You need to wait for the verifier to fully finish verifying it. And after the verifier finished, now you need to go and allow this app to make change to your device. And I did that, so now we can continue. So now you're going to click install and wait for the process to finish. And that's it. You have successfully installed Python and pycharm. Now you're ready to start coding. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more programming tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Happy coding!